Alright, welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. I'm going to show you in this video how to navigate the merchandise. The merchandise is right under the video, but I will show you step by step. So those who actually really want to support but don't know how to navigate, I'm not begging you for anything. I am selling you a product, or I am selling you services. This is how I come across. It's sad to see how we don't support our own, even those who claim to wish you well. And it's really sad on this forum, on this platform called YouTube, when we compare ourselves as black people versus white people versus Asians or Hispanics. It's not just point, shoot, and upload. Right? Their audience understands, man, he gets up every day, he gives us content every day. It's a lot of work to film, to edit, to research, to put your stuff together properly and presentable, and then present it. I watched one of my favorite white YouTubers that I watch, because you learn from watching others. And I watched this guy put out merchandise, shirts, hats, socks, merchandise, and in 1 month time he sold 1 million pieces of merchandise. Fun fact, I had the up t-shirts up for about 3 months and I sold $160 worth. That's it, $160 worth. Anyways, thanks to the people that really support, right? And thanks to the people who not only say we wish you well, but help you to do well. Shout out to the people who come for the free content every single day or every now and then, but you never give a dollar, whether it's to charity or it's to seeing a piece of merch you like and supporting by purchasing it. Shout out to every single person, whether you buy it or not. Whether you like me or not, whether you like the platform or not, you're still showing up, so shout out to you, man. For those of you who are really interested, here it goes. So here we are on SouFLoTV, right? And we just put these 2 videos up. This is what we look like. I'm using my phone because most people nowadays view YouTube on the go. Go for this video that I just put up. Peter Tosh's son passes after beating in US prison. So we'll go to that video. And here's the story as the story was ran, right? Right below the video, you will find, if you scroll down right there, here's the merch. And here's what you can do with the merch line. You can scroll sideways to see more merch, right? See? You scroll sideways, you're going to see more merchandise. Scroll sideways, you're going to see more merchandise. Let's say you like a piece of merchandise. I will go for my favorite piece right now just to show you how to navigate the site. So I will click on this white hoodie. And this is from my collection that is called Icon Love. Because Bob Marley is an icon and he is a part of the artwork design for this. So once you click on a piece that you like, the entire piece of merchandise will show up. So here's the white hoodie, and it will tell you that the white hoodie is $47. It'll show you the whole hoodie, and it will show you the slogan that it is marketed under. And you can see it right there. It says Icon Love, and then down here it says Jamaica Pride all the way. With this one piece, you will scroll down further and it will tell you right here to view it in TeeSpring. Or you can pass that and see other merchandise. So once you click on one piece of merchandise, it will take you into the store. Here's the women's tank top. And the women's tank top is available right there. Have a good look. It is available in dark blue it is available in brown. If you want to know what other colors it's available in, this big blue bar that says view on TeeSpring, you click view on TeeSpring right there, and it will take you into the TeeSpring store. Now inside of the TeeSpring store, where this merchandise is displayed, this is my phone. So it looks like this. Okay? Now inside of the store, where this is, your order today is backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Okay. So inside of the store, where this is viewed, let's say you don't like the color or you're looking for a different color. You will scroll down and it will tell you right here that it's only available in black and it's available in white. So you will hit white, the white circle. You can also select your size, and the sizes are available, and it will tell you right here we even have up to 2XL 18 to 20. So you select your size, you add to cart, and you clock out. Or you go back up here and there you have it in white. And that's the same tank top in white. Don't like the white, want to change it black, back to black, scroll down, hit that button and get back up here and it's back in black. Okay? This is how easy it is to navigate the site. Let's say, I like another piece of merchandise. How about we go for a man's t-shirt or a woman's t-shirt? Let's do that one. And we will now go to a t-shirt. And all the merchandise are right here. And you can scroll sideways, just like this, to see different pieces of merchandise. We just selected a man's t-shirt. There's the man's t-shirt. Okay, I'll give you a close-up of the design that's on this one. And the up is still available because we now found a way to put multiple pieces of merchandise on our channel. This is a learning process and we are learning. And this is what the merch looks like on the t-shirt up close. That's the design on the t-shirt up close. Find the color of the shirt that you like. This shirt is also available in gray. So you scroll down and you hit gray and you go back up and you're seeing it in gray. Here's the lazy t-shirt. Same design with the Bob Marley. You scroll down and you select pink. You scroll back up and it's available in pink. You scroll down and you select red. Scroll back up, it's available in red, and then you make your purchase as you change your colors and adjust your size. All these are available right underneath the very videos that you watch on SouFLoTV on a daily basis. Okay, we're back to the channel. Here's the video playing. That is the video that's playing. And right below that video, after the description of the video, right below that video, you will find our merch line. Again, click on a piece of merch. It will show up. View it in TeeSpring. And it will take you to our TeeSpring store. Inside our TeeSpring store, you can adjust color, you can adjust your size, and you can purchase. Let's get it in pink today. And look, it is now pink. Okay, and you can adjust your size right here. You can adjust your colors right there. And you add to cart and you purchase. That simple. Go pick up a piece of merch and support the movement, man. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace. All right, that's it. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And also, purchase a piece of merch, man. I'm out. Peace.